Hi, I'm Jules from Find the Gap, and I wanted to talk to you today briefly just about the problem solving masterclass we'll be running in May. Now, it's an 8-week online course. It will have live teaching with me. It's the first time I'm running it, so I really want to get feedback and students involved. After 8 weeks, I'm really hopeful that you can put anything in front of them and they're going to have the skills to be able to start with a strategy, pick at least 1 or 2 things to try, work through that problem and be able to actually assess if they are on task or if maybe the strategy wasn't quite correct, and have the growth mindset and the resilience to come back and start something fresh. We're going to look at language, so there's going to be a section early on about clues and hints that are used in how to start problems, because starting a problem is normally the biggest issue for students. So we're going to unpack that language barrier as well and address the mathematical literacy in problem solving, which can be completely overwhelming for students. There's also going to be explicit teaching of how to use the strategies within that so that students can start practicing how to do it with me and then have extra steps that they can do it for themselves. And that repetition will allow them to build confidence and also their pattern recognition skills. How it's going to work is that every week we're going to look at new strategies and a new problem. And these are going to be quite intense problems. We're going to look at measurement, we're going to look at linear equations, we're going to look at Cartesian planes, we're going to look at quadratics, but you can actually in some of these problems start deriving quadratic equations. You can also get into networks, which is a year 11 further maths topic. But again, solving the problem on one level is very different to moving through the levels and actually getting to this higher order thinking. And we'll scaffold that all the way through for children if they are interested and engaged. And of course, in that, we're going to be looking at the anxiety to see if that picks up at any point and if you can track for that in your child, and if I can track through it, the computer screen and give you some feedback about what I think is going on. And there's going to be a lot of coaching in those live sessions. So I really hope that you take advantage. There's really limited seats available, and you can find all the details of how to book that through the Facebook group, which is Math Explorers, or they'll also be published on our Facebook page, Find the Gap. Have a great day, and I really hope you take this opportunity up. Thanks.